Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Buds 3. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, take a look at your earbuds, make sure that they are connected with smartphone. And now, swipe up through touch area to increase volume. Slide down to decrease volume. Tap once. And this feature is not set for these headphones, you can set it in the app. Tap twice for next, answer and end the calls. And triple tap for previous song. Tap and hold on touch area for 1.5 seconds to switch noise control mode. You can also adjust controls in the app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.